I'll come to a little short about the Capri, the white Capri, which is now finished. As I said in the last episode, there was we've done an episode before that there was a bit of information about it. But this is my 36,000 mile 3 litre Ghia Mk2 Capri, 1974. It's got all its original panels. It's not been restored, as in, you know, loads of welding. In fact, it's had no welding, so. But I did take it apart. It's been detailed. We had the front seats refoamed, original material, but with the Mk2 Capris, anyone that knows them, the backing foam on the material tends to disintegrate. It's had about 3 owners. The last 2 were brothers, I believe, that I bought it off. So what's been done to it? So it was stripped down, original vinyl roof. Tailgate has been changed because it was rotten. So we had a new vinyl on the tailgate. It's an amazing condition car. There's still stuff on it that's 50 years old, don't get me wrong, because a lot of it we kept because it's original with the car. But it's had all new brakes, refurbished wheels with brand new uni royals. Some of the trim has been changed on the side to the best I had, or new. I believe the rear section here is new. There's stuff like, some of it is virtually impossible to find, like this gutter trim. That's brand new Ford one. Couldn't get one the other side. As you can see, the interior is in absolutely amazing condition for a 51-year-old car. Original radio, that works, which is yeah. Everything under its body colour underneath, and everything has been detailed, so it's got loads of stainless steel nuts and bolts all the way through it. The car was Z-barted from new, which is what these plugs here are for. Yeah, for those of anoraks that know, all the there's no rust in the car. It's amazing. Originally from Newcastle, I drove it for the first time 8 years ago when I bought it. It's got the original dealer sticker in the back window, which is, I mean, you know, and the Z-bart sticker as well from when it was done. It's had a new bumpers front and rear with new rubber strips. You try finding those. The new strip which goes along the bottom of the tailgate, new one. You try finding one of them. The lights are near enough new. New suspensions and new rear springs, new shocks, all new bushes, new front inserts, all new brakes, all new lines. New master cylinder. It's just so much new stuff on it. We've tried to keep some of the original stuff on it, as I said. But some of it was just, you know, it's like with Capris. Some of the stuff's just 50 years old. It's had a new grille. Yeah, you try finding a new grille, brand new Mk2 grille. Just show you underneath the bonnet. Just added the radiator record. It's the large top, but it wasn't leaking, but the core was 50 years old, and yeah, loads of everything's been powder coated. You know, new hardware, as you can see, like powder coated this, powder coated that. New headlights, new indicators. The suspension's been powder coated. Brand new 2-inch system, which sounds awesome. I'll start in a minute. Powder coated air cleaner box. You know, it's without going into the realms of complete insanity, it's sort of the best you can do. The car was completely covered in wax oil when I bought it, so all the engine bay all the way up to here, which kind of saved it, but that was a great week taking all the wax oil off it, and yeah, I've never had such black hands as that. Trying to think whatever else. Yeah, just it's an amazing condition car with loads of new bits on it. It's not a brand new car. You know, for those that want a brand new car, they do sell new Capris. Well, they're kind of Capris, but not as we know it. So I'll just start it up for you. Still a bit cold, even if though it's about 35 degrees here today in Portugal. it speaks for itself. The engine runs so sweet, loads of power. These 3 litres, and it's being a manual as well, a 4-speed manual box is one of the tightest boxes I've ever experienced. Read into that what you will. But yeah, for a 3 litre box, it's not like that. It's really close, lovely, plenty of power. You know, it'll pull from 1,000 revs before it takes, and the brakes are really good on it. I said with all the new suspension on it as well, it drives really, really well. I am going to put it up for sale because in Portugal the matriculation costs for such a... This is the car I always really wanted. I love Mk2 Capris, as any of the followers of the channel will know. I always really wanted this car. When it came up for sale, I travelled from Somerset to Newcastle, which driving back took about, I don't know, 5-6 hours, something like that. And it pains me to get rid of it because it is such a beautiful car, and to find another one in this condition is, well, anyone that knows Mk2 Capris, you know. So yeah, it is going to go up for sale. I'm going to put it up for Car and Classic. Any of you watching this that are seriously interested, you know, no, you're not going to go out for 10 grand and, you know, will you swap a Renault 5 for it? No. It is top money. Go and find another one with that sort of mileage in this condition. There are some 3 litre Mark IIs there for about 15,000, but they all need work. This one doesn't need anything. It just needs to be kept in a nice dry garage somewhere and used in good weather to maintain it, because it's just such an original car. Obviously it's been painted. I had it painted 5 years ago. It's still really nice. Nothing's come through, which is obviously, with these, as anyone knows Capris, rust is the primary thing. But like I say, with the low mileage and the Z-Bart, it kept the shell very, very good. So yeah, so anyone that is interested, either email us or contact us through Car and Classic. Yeah, I'm going to be sad to see it go, but hopefully it will go to someone that's going to enjoy it and cherish it.